Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I was doing a different tutorial. You can actually check in the description for that. But in this particular video, I'm going to be showing you how to easily style a bandana like a ninja, okay? And so let's just dive into it. Make sure that you do like the video, shares out there, and talk to me in the comments section. Basically, just drop all your hairs onto the side. Let me place my mirror wall. Like that. So place all your hairs like this towards the front. To have something like that. And then pick your bandana like this. And drop it like that. To have something of the sort, a triangular shape like that. And if, as we dive deeper into it, make sure that you do like this video. Just give us that thumbs up. It will really help in boosting this video. Also, you can share us out there, tell someone about this channel. You can comment down below and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell so that you do not miss out on any upcoming tutorial. Check in the description for bonus link if you watch to the very end. Okay, so with this like this, the next thing you need is just to place it. You can actually look at these two sides. The side that looks, see, like this side that it looks, that will be the side that you place right here onto your nose, that way. And then in the case that your hair might disturb, you can choose to hold it first. Let me show you. Just hold it. You don't have to hold it like I did. I just removed it out, like out of my way. Okay, so you just place it like this and then make a knot at the back below your hairs, okay? Because there's something that you're actually aiming for. This one looks actually like it's too big, but it can still work both ways, okay? But if you prefer to reduce the size for it to be more smooth, you can always do that. Or should we do it together? Yeah, let's just reduce the size together. You make another fold right there and then place it onto you. That's that. Oh, it's so much time. I should be going somewhere anyway. So like that, you have it. That way, right? And then the next thing you do is just dropping your hairs. And guys, please check me on my socials on Instagram and TikTok at ms_Maureen. Okay? So you drop your hair like that, and then you can choose to wear a hoodie or just place on. You see the way we began the video, the way I had like tied my bandana like that. You can always also choose to add in that way. So there you go. Tell me, do you like it? Or what do you think?